Hey there, F-150 owners. Welcome back to Vehicle School. Today, we're tackling a common issue, the dreaded full accessory power active message on your Ford F-150, but the truck won't start. Don't worry, we've got you covered. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our truck-related content. Let's dive in. Number 1, shifter issue. It shifts into park when you open the door, confusing the system. Here's how to fix it. Inspect the shifter mechanism. Reset the internal systems. Check wiring and solenoid. Software updates. Number 2, inverter system controller. It manages electrical power, including the starter motor. If it malfunctions, it can disrupt power and cause starting issues. Unfortunately, no DIY fix here. Service at dealership. Number 3, battery issue. The full accessory power active message suggests the battery system is working, but if your F-150 won't start, it could be a battery issue. Here's what to do. Clean battery terminals. Inspect battery. Use brush-in battery. Pour baking soda solution on the battery. Until next time, stay on the road and keep those F-150s running smoothly. Good luck with the fixing. Thanks for watching.